Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry battery step by step. First, disconnect the negative terminal to prevent shorts, then remove the positive terminal and hold down clamp. Lift the old battery straight up using proper gloves and eye protection, inspect the tray for corrosion, and clean terminals gently with a brush. Place the new battery in the same orientation, secure the clamp, and reconnect terminals negative last while avoiding sparks. In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry battery step by step. Begin by loosening the negative terminal, then the positive, and remove the hold-down clamp. Carefully lift the battery straight up using both hands and a stable stance to avoid spills. Inspect the tray and cables, clean corrosion with a baking soda solution if needed, and prepare the new battery in the same orientation for installation to ensure proper fit and safety. In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry battery step by step. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you work. It seals well and fits most cup holders so you won't spill near terminals. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry battery step by step. Place the new battery into the tray with correct terminal orientation, then secure the hold-down clamp snugly. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, and tighten both clamps firmly but avoid over-torque. Start the engine to check charging and reset any electronic settings as needed, and double-check for unusual noises or warning lights before driving away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.